Picture this, a massive tank rolling through ancient forests, covered in deadly spikes and armor so thick that even the fiercest predators would think twice before attacking. That tank was actually a living, breathing dinosaur called Sauropelta, and it was one of the most incredible armored warriors that ever walked our planet. Here's something that might surprise you, young explorers. Most kids think all dinosaurs were either giant meat eaters with razor-sharp teeth or long-necked plant eaters that were easy prey. But Sauropelta proves that's totally wrong. This amazing dinosaur was like nature's ultimate bodyguard, built specifically to survive in a world full of dangerous predators. Imagine wearing a suit of armor made from your own skin. That's exactly what Sauropelta did. These remarkable dinosaurs grew bony plates called osteoderms right inside their skin, creating a natural shield that covered their entire back, sides, and even their bellies. But here's the really cool part. They didn't just have flat armor like a knight's shield. Sauropelta had rows of sharp, pointed spikes jutting out from their shoulders and sides, making them look like a walking fortress of doom. These incredible creatures lived about 100 million years ago during the Cretaceous period, and they were absolutely massive. A full-grown Sauropelta could reach 17 feet long and weigh as much as a small elephant. That's longer than most school buses. But despite their enormous size, these dinosaurs were actually gentle giants who spent their days peacefully munching on ferns, cycads, and other prehistoric plants. The most fascinating superpower of Sauropelta was their defensive strategy. When a hungry predator like Acrocanthosaurus approached, these armored dinosaurs wouldn't run away like you might expect. Instead, they would crouch down low, tuck their heads under their bodies, and present their spiky armored backs to their attackers. It was like turning into an impenetrable porcupine the size of a car. Scientists have discovered that Sauropelta had incredibly strong leg muscles and wide, sturdy feet that helped them carry all that heavy armor without getting tired. Their tails were also covered in protective plates and could be swung like a massive club if any predator got too close. What makes these dinosaurs even more amazing is how they lived together. Fossil evidence suggests that Sauropelta traveled in small family groups, with parents protecting their young by forming protective circles with their spiky sides facing outward. Talk about the ultimate family protection plan. Here on Fun Animals for Kids, we love sharing these incredible stories about the most fascinating creatures that ever lived. Sauropelta teaches us that sometimes the best way to deal with bullies isn't to fight back, but to be so well protected that they can't hurt you in the first place. These armored dinosaurs show us that nature always finds amazing ways to help animals survive and thrive, even in the most dangerous situations. From their built-in armor to their family teamwork, Sauropelta were true champions of the prehistoric world.